I'm feeling impulsive, so let's go change my hairstyle.
It says to just start with a front ponytail. I want to say it's from like behind my ear all the way across to my other ear. Then I'm supposed to do a high back ponytail here. I'm only going to take off about, I want to say like an inch. It's really just so that this will frame my face a bit better. Wow. What a haircut. Okay, let's take off about another like half inch. We go up, make it less choppy. For the back, I'm just gonna take off a little baby bit. I don't have the proper scissors for this. Let's take these bad boys out. Start with the back, and then the front. Okay, we got a little bit more there. I just thought that the layers would be a bit shorter around my head. Maybe it'll be better if I wet my hair. Now that my hair is wet again, I can totally see how it's going to dry the way that I want it to, which I'm very excited about. But for now, I do have to get a little bit of the excess water out so that I can apply my beard balm to my hair. It's very easy to style an air dry hairstyle with it. So I take about this much on my finger, put it on my palm, as you can see, and then I add some lavender essential oil to it so that it smooths out and applies a lot more seamlessly. Mix all that together and then start scrunching that into my hair from the bottom up, but not going to my roots necessarily because it makes my hair look really greasy. I'm gonna let this dry and come back to do some hair wraps. This is how it's turned out so far. I like it. It looks very similar to how it did before, except my bangs are now in my eye, which is okay. I don't mind it. So I need to make dinner, and I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do my hair wraps later this evening. I might end up having to record the rest of it tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day and I'm at Kristen's instead. These are the colors for the first one. Finished. Just have to tie it off a little bit more and put glue on the ends. Okay, so we're gonna snip it. Now we're gonna glue it. I glued my fingers. I ended up making a bunch of hair jewels to have little quartz crystals on them, as well as finding these beads that I want to put in my hair as well. So I made my braid and now I'm going to put a bit of beard balm on the bottom so that it actually might stay. Alright, we have the first one on. It's staying on pretty well, which is very good news. And now I'm just going to put one of these other little beads underneath. Bead didn't fit, but this other smaller one that I made did. Another one on this side with the crystal. Second strand is done. Just using the ones that I made instead, except for this one individual bead, but I freaking love these. Oh my god. Obsessed. I want them all over my hair. But I have to get ready for work right now, so I will do more later. Let me know if you want to learn how to make them, because they're really not that difficult, and they're really freaking cute.